regarding villi. So here is the abundant and large and thick. Abundant, large and thick villi, but here is the smaller and the small and the thin. The small and the thin. So mesentery, regarding the mesentery, here is the fat less, abundant windows, and here is the fat less, fat more, abundant. So here is a less window, there is no window, absence of window, but here is a present of window due to the fat less. And regarding the pair patches, so pair patch, what is a pair patch? Pair patch is like a aggregation of the lymphoid follicles in the submucosa. Lymphoid follicles in mucosa, submucosa. So here is the absent and here is the present of the pair patches. Ileum has the pair patches, but